Alright, it's Pancho's birthday. How old are you?
5.
5. Time flies.
He's a big boy now.
Then why do you say time flies?
Because it does. You'll see when you get older. Time flies. There it is.
I'm happy with it.
Alright. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Pancho. Happy birthday to you. Okay, make a wish and blow it out. Ready? Ready to blow it out? Oh, that's a good one. See, you did it this year. Usually you don't get them all. All right, 5 years old.
I got all the candles out of fire.
I want
Yeah.
big, huh?
Don't knock it over. Right.
Why the candles not out yet?
Hey. Did you blow
And
it out?
every day I have to take them out.
All right, you ready for something?
Yeah. What are you doing?
Move
The
it out.
toad! Want this one? Yeah!
What is it? What is it? Can you see what it is? I don't think you can see what it is. They can see what it is though. What is it?
Yay! It's a pirate ship! It's a pirate ship with spiders! Yeah!
Wow, look at that.
Yay!
Wow.
Yay! 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 Yay!
The pirate ship playset. You got a
Yay! Yay!
Skull Island, an octopus.
Wow.
What else is in there?
Spiders!
Pirate,
Yay!
man, spiders. Oh my! Look at all those spiders. And a pirate ship.
Yay!
Cannon.
Is octopus?
Yay! That is.
And some gold. Got a treasure chest.
Oh!
The canyon works. Wow.
And a bird.
And a bird.
Oh, they make a noise.
He's got a bird too.
Yay! Nope. No bird. No bird. Oh, now I see a parrot.
Let us. Oh!
Got it. Look at Skull Island. Skull Island.
Is that cool or what? Talk about wanting to get in the bathtub now. I think no problems getting in the bathtub.
You excited, bro?
Oh, it's the weapons. Oh.
You excited, Pancho?
Yeah.
You got your Pirate Island?
Pirate Island.
Well, too bad. Looks like Cisco took it. It's his now.
Huh? I was going to bring it onto a chair. I didn't want to hold it. I was going to bring it onto that
Oh, what's
chair.
up for the cake?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear
Pancho.
Pancho. Happy birthday to you.
All right. Look at all that cool stuff in there.
I'll get the parrot.
There's a parrot. I didn't see him. I saw the pirate ship though, and look at there's a little trap door there.
Yeah, that's
Look
where
at all those spiders.
No,
that's crazy.
That
Look at it.
door is where's the treasure goes, and there's a jail over there.
Yeah, that's the jail.
Yeah, for that bad guy with no shirt.
Oh wow.
I just call it pirate. I just call it Pirate Island. Let's go Pirate Island.
Pirate Island.
Weird. Let's go.
Wow, that is one cool playset, Pancho. I think that's one cool birthday present, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, you like it?
Yeah.
What do you like most about it?
Everything. It was weird.
You like everything, and that's his, was that Captain Root Beer?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what you're gonna call him, Root Beard?
What you can do with all of that?
Do everything.
Yeah, you're gonna put him in the bathtub and.
Yeah, but we had to I want to play with root beer in the ship. No, with you. And that guy will be at Skull Island. No, go Island. No, I said Skull Island. No, I said Go Island. No, I said Skull Island. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Okay, I'm gonna read this right now. Happy birthday.
You wanna open it up?
Yeah. Happy birthday to you.
You wanna check it out?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. What's this? To you.
You sure are young to have a mustache.
To cut out the treasure and all the other things out.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You guys want to open now?
Yeah. Happy birthday to you.
Alright, let Mama help open it.
Wow.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Paul.
Wow.
Happy birthday to you.
Whoa, let's check this out now. Let's see what we got here. We got some gold and treasure right there. We got Skull Island. The cannon.
ดี๋ยวมาช่วย
Cannon.
An octopus.
An octopus. Some gold. 2 pirates.
No, it's not a pirate. That guy.
Bunch of spiders. And a cool pirate ship.
Mother, this
Yeah. What's
the treasure. Oh, this fell. Hold on, opened it.
this?
So this is where the treasure goes.
There you go.
So cute.
What's your name?
Cute.
That's that.
I count the pirate ship.
What?
Oh, book you.
Oh, wow. You fight me.
They fighting? I thought they're friends. Never know, I guess. Can't trust a pirate. Can't trust a pirate.
Favorite the book of you. Let's take these up the book.
Oh, look at that. It's so big.
Look, there's a trap door. Yeah. For the bad guy. And that leads to the treasure.
Oh,
You're going to trap door. No, but the
Here.
oh, Skull Island.
treasure. Because you were the bad guy.
That's a mask. Is that a mask? Put it on your face. Let's see what it looks like, Cisco. Wow! Look at that. Scary. Whoa! Wow.
It's mine. It's my face.
Who you?
No. They not gonna make you. I need it.
Yeah, Cisco Island. Cisco, the scary skull guy. What Pancho do? You like your new ship?
Yeah.
Wow. You go on the island?
Celebrate
Oh,
Pancho.
man, you better learn how to take care of your toys.
Now all these things fell out.
You go on the island?
Come look in here. Now, watch what the squid can do.
What they can? You go bite?
Now.
Oh, there's the gold. The pirate's gonna get it or what?
The rupee and lose him for the gold. Rupee is the gold. What's his gold? I got the gold back.
Oh! I didn't know squids could fly.
The flying death.
The flying death.
It's a flying death.
Watch out, pirate ship.
No, don't worry. We have the canyons. The flying death found the gold. You have the goldies in here. We still have the goldies inside our pirate ship, and we have lots of weapons. We'll shoot a squid and kill the squid, so we could get a treasure back. But we still have that canyon to shoot the squid. The squid! The canyon! Oh, that was squid here. What? What are we doing here? What? What are we doing here? What? What are we doing here?
No!
What? What are we doing here? What? What are the canyons? What? What are the canyons? What? What are the canyons? What? What are
Oh,
the
wow!
canyons? What? What are the 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 canyons? If you like our video, hit like and subscribe.
All those who are subscribed to Cisco and Pancho's channel and hit like on each of our videos has a chance of winning some toys. So go ahead and click like on all our videos, and if you're a winner, we will contact you. Have a good day.
Bye.